Welcome! Today I'm showing how to link or unlink Google Assistant from PowerKey into XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 2021. First of all, open your settings and find here additional settings, this one. Then choose button shortcuts option, and here we got launch Google Assistant option. So go into this menu, and here we got all combination with for launch Google Assistant. So power home key, power menu, power back, long press for back button, menu button, and long press to home. Maybe let's try power and home. Replace with yes, okay, replace, and let's try power and home. And our Google Assistant are activated. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.